An Iranian-made Mohajer-6 unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) operated by the Russian military has crashed near the border between the Kursk and Belgorod regions. The drone, which was armed with Com-5 guided bombs, suggests it was being used for both reconnaissance and strike missions. Previously, these drones had been observed only in Russian-occupied Crimea. One Mohajer-6 was lost over the Black Sea and recovered by Ukrainian forces, while another was downed by friendly fire over Crimea in June 2023. The appearance of the Mohajer-6 in the border region raises questions about new deliveries from Iran or the possible redeployment of these drones from Crimea to more active areas along the border. The Mohajer-6 features a rectangular fuselage, an upward-tilted nose, twin tail booms with a horizontal stabilizer mounted on top, straight wings mounted high and towards the rear of the body, and air intakes both above and below the engine. Bild reported that the drones are equipped with Rotax 912 engines produced by the Austrian company Rotax.